I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming a usable backup and that your new SSD meets size and interface needs. Once done, connect both drives with the SATA/USB adapter, or M, to enclosure and open your cloning tool. You should select the source disk and target SSD explicitly, choose sector by sector only if sizes match, and enable copy of boot partition and UEFI data. Make sure the target has equal or greater usable space. This avoids truncation and prevents boot failures after cloning. You now run the clone operation and watch for read or write errors reported by the tool. Stop if CRC or hardware errors appear. Once the clone completes, boot into a live USB or partition manager to resize the main file system to occupy extra space. Use online resize for ext4 or appropriate offline tools for Windows NTFS. If the target was slightly smaller but compatible, you should have prepared by shrinking the source first so partition tables match. Verify the EFI and boot flags were copied. You remove the old drive and install the new SSD, then enter UEFI to set it as primary boot device. Save and restart. If the system boots, run a quick integrity check, chkdsk on Windows or FSCK on Linux, to ensure file systems are clean and confirm all data is present. If the system doesn't boot, reattach the original drive or boot recovery media to repair the BCD or reinstall grub. This single troubleshooting step usually resolves miscopied boot metadata and gets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.